Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a very specific but incredibly useful little gadget, the Perixx PERIMICE-715 replacement Nano USB receiver. Now, this isn't just any random USB dongle. It's designed with one job in mind, and that's to bring your Perixx PERIMICE-715 mouse back to life if you've misplaced or damaged its original receiver. Think about it. You have a perfectly good wireless mouse, but without that tiny USB piece, it's essentially useless. That's where this replacement comes in. It's made by Perixx, the same company that made the mouse, ensuring compatibility. The information provided confirms it's specifically for the PERIMICE-715 model. This is key. It's not a universal receiver, so you need to make sure you have that exact mouse model. Physically, it's a Nano USB receiver, which means it's small and low profile, designed to plug into a USB port on your computer and ideally be left there without sticking out too much. It comes in black, matching the typical color scheme of many peripherals. The connectivity technology is standard USB, as you'd expect for this type of device. The product details mention 7 channels, which likely refers to the wireless communication capabilities or perhaps features of the mouse it pairs with, rather than the receiver itself having audio channels. Speaking of audio, the listing also oddly mentions audio output type, headphones, speakers, which is completely irrelevant to a mouse receiver and can be safely ignored. This little guy is purely for connecting your mouse wirelessly. Its special feature is simply being a replacement receiver. It solved a common problem, the easy-to-lose nature of these small USB dongles. For anyone who owns a PERIMICE-715 mouse and has lost their original receiver, finding an official replacement like this is a lifesaver. It means you don't have to buy a whole new mouse just because of a lost part. You simply get this replacement, pair it with your existing mouse. The pairing process is usually straightforward, often involving a button on the mouse and plugging in the receiver, and you're back in business. It's a cost-effective and convenient solution. So, if your PERIMICE-715 mouse is currently gathering dust because its receiver is missing, this Perixx replacement Nano USB receiver is exactly what you need to get working again.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.